Today we're transforming this cute bridal shower invite into a Petals and Prosecco themed bridal shower, which is honestly such a popular trend right now. The original design is already super pretty and definitely ready to sell as is, but whenever I'm creating templates for events, I always like to give them my own touch and make sure they match current trends and seasonal aesthetics too. So first, I deleted the text that we won't be using anymore, and I changed the main heading to say Petals and Prosecco. If you do a quick search on Pinterest or Etsy, you'll notice this theme, and a few variations of it, are everywhere right now. I still want to keep the soft, elegant vibe from the original design though, so I'm not changing too much. Now I'm just duplicating this text here and moving it toward the center so we can add our new wording accordingly. And while I'm doing this, I'm also checking that everything still feels balanced and aligned, because once you start moving elements around, even tiny spacing issues become really obvious. Okay, I think that looks good. And now we're ready to find our illustration. I'm looking for something cute, feminine, and that still matches the overall vibe of the invite. Nothing too bold or too modern. Ooh, okay, wait. I actually think this champagne glass is perfect, especially with the tiny flower detail. It feels very petals and prosecco without being too literal. And once again, we're just adjusting all the elements a little bit so everything fits naturally and nothing feels crowded or forced into the layout. Sometimes it's literally just tiny movements that make the whole design feel more polished. And finally, I'm going to match the text color with the illustration we just added so the entire design feels cohesive. Okay, one quick final look, adjusting the spacing a little, making sure the alignment feels clean, and we're done. A simple trend-based makeover that completely changed the vibe of this template while still keeping the original elegance. This is honestly one of my favorite ways to create new listings fast. Start with a strong design, follow current trends, and make it feel fresh and intentional. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your own templates, and I'll see you in the next video.